Thank you for having a look at this. This deals with the biggest bugbear I've had over the last decade at least while working on longer documents. The problem is that editing long documents is hard and completed sections can get in the way. So the question is, how can we temporarily hide sections of the document that we don't want to deal with right now without messing up the formatting? We've tried many approaches over the years, and it's always been an extra line break or not enough line breaks, or something has happened if it's based on headings. So I have a different approach that I'd like to show you now. And the interaction is that the user selects the text they want to hide, do a keyboard shortcut, most likely Command 0, there aren't that many keyboard shortcuts left. And then the selected text is replaced by the first 60 characters followed by ellipses in hard brackets. And the user can click on this to revert to the full text. Let me show you. So the middle bit here, let me pretend I've finished with it. I want to get rid of it for a while. So I select it, do the keyboard shortcut, and I get this. Digital text for printing, ... You will see above in brackets, there's the author date. That's how we hide the citation information for the author date. You can click on that and get a full dialog box with all of the information about that. So it's an active region. So the same thing would happen here, that in the hard brackets, that would be an active thing. The user would click on it and the action would happen. It would replace the text. Boom, like this. So the action is the selected text is cut on the keyboard shortcut when the user does the keyboard shortcut and replaced with this placeholder. And this is similar for how we deal with the citations, as I just mentioned. And this text is stored in a new list similar to the cutting lists that we have, and is automatically pasted back when the user clicks on the placeholder. I'm really excited by this. I think it'll help me write better, because when I'm trying to move things up and down, often over scrolling, it gets too big, it gets messy. Here I can say this bit is done, and then it goes like this. Whether this is automatically filled in on export or not, I'm not sure about. We may have to experiment with that. Maybe there's an option for always do that or never do that. Maybe sometimes you just want to go through sections of your work. So there, of course, will be a few things to play with as this is developed, but I think this could be really useful. Please tell me in the comments or an email or on Twitter what you think. I really appreciate your perspective. Thank you.